See, then I can twist like this, can open. But there is some wine have a cork. Cork means the wooden piece of wooden is put inside the bottle. That is called cork. So that's why everybody will give the opening. Example, this wine has a cork. Okay? So madam is there, so I already present the wine. Check the wine, see, confirm. Why you present the wine to the guest? Just to confirm that he or he ordered the same wine right now, and you are presenting the same wine. Imagine, sometimes there is like this is an expensive one. In our menu, it's written there 2010 vintage, but if you are giving there 2012 vintage, that's not it. That's why vintage is also important for that expensive one. But this one is fine. So you confirm on it, right? Then I have to open the wine. So for the opening wine, she is sitting with her husband. So if you are confident to open in your hand, you can open it. So this one, you can put it like this. Then you hold the wine like this. I'm sure you guys are not confident, but you can open it. You have the neck. Imagine this is like a clockwise. You have the leg like this. Then you remove it. You still need to remove it. Then you close this one. Then you remove your corkscrew. This one you have to put exactly inside the center. If you put here and there, this screw will go in different way. Then it will break the nut, it will break the cork inside. So you have to put it very carefully, put press and so it will go until here. So this one will come on the neck of the edge of the glass. So it's here now like this. They will slightly press it like a lever. Then slightly press it like this. So this cork, screw, it will take out the cork half. Don't put it all together like this. Then there is another step. Now here you put this one here. Then you slowly put that. The cork is already in the place here. The cork will be here. So cork remove done. Then you can keep the cork with the cork on the table, or give the guest, like example, if it's expensive one, you need to give the cork to the guest to smell it. So you remove the cork. So I remove. Then example, this is the cork. So before I started, I smell it. Because sometimes wine can be swallowable. So I smell it, it's good. So I give it to the guest. This is my wine, so wine is ready to serve. So how I am going to serve it? Serving also, either you can keep this napkin in your hand, or you can hold the napkin again in this way. Okay. You pour the wine. Okay. First you need to give the tasting. Tasting means that there need to taste the wine. So you pour the wine and twist. When you proceed like this, what? Okay. You hold it with the napkin, twist and wipe. You know why? Maybe there is a red wine coming here. So you need to wipe it down so that the drops will not fall on the table. But here we are like not very fine in inside. You can pour like this also. You can twist it if you are confident. Okay? And this napkin you can keep it on the hole and in your next hand so that if something goes wrong, you can mark it down. Only this one I am not going to serve it here to find any style. I will serve it in the normal. Yeah? But example, if you want to know, this is the particular way to serve the wine like this. So twist and pour it. See, approve the wine. Then she is the host because she ordered the wine, so I will serve her at last. Doesn't matter if she is lady or man or woman. Host is always to be served at the last. So you start from this lady, and the lady is there, you start from the lady. So pour and last even the glass. Understand? This is the simple way of serving.